Organizing your Moodle course. When putting up your content on a Moodle course, it is important that you think about the order of your Moodle course so that it is easy for the students to navigate through the content. Some of the key tips that you can use when you are organizing your Moodle course is that always ensure that you have a customized course image. The course image personalizes your Moodle course and makes it look good. Of course, the image must reflect the course content. It is also important to include a section where you include the lecturer details. Here, include the lecturer or instructor's name and contact. The contact information can include the email address or the telephone number or the mobile number. Include the course code and course title. It's also good to include a descriptive name for each of your topics. So, for each of your topics, include the topic number, including if it is topic 1, and the name of the topic, or the content title for that particular section of your course. For each topic, it is always important that you include the introduction, which is a brief summary of what the topic entails, the learning outcomes or the specific learning objectives of that particular topic or section, then describe the learning tasks, which is a summary of the key activities the students will be undertaking within that particular topic. You can also include a description of the assessment or assignment activities. When attaching or adding activities into your Moodle course, make sure that you give them descriptive names. For example, this is a topic 1 quiz. This is a resource, a reading resource for the topic, and so I have named it topic 1 notes. That the same applies for forums. If you have attached an activity or resource, it is optional but recommended that you put in an activity description like this. For example, this particular resource, the students have a description which specifies to them the instructions of how to read the resource. They're supposed to download the ebook and read the pages 23 to 34.